Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox application launcher not launching on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. It's going to be a very easy video, so make sure to watch until the end not to miss any important details. Now, just to check, one of the main reasons that Roblox might not be working is because the servers might be down. So what you're going to do is go to your browser and then go to Roblox and search for Roblox status. Once you do that, click on the first one, and if you see this as a green bar, then you should be fine because the Roblox servers are going well. So now what's the solution? We're going to search here for add, and then as you can see, add or remove programs. Once you do that, you're going to go here, and then we're going to search the list for Roblox. Once you do that and you find it, right click it, and then uninstall it from your device. After you uninstall it, go back to the search for run, and then from here you're going to write this, percentage local app data. Click OK, and then from here you're going to find Roblox, right here Roblox, double click it, go to versions, go to this file, and then you're going to find this folder right here. So for the launcher.exe, right click it and then go to properties, and then you're going to put for compatibility, and then here you're going to set it to run as administrator, apply, okay. And as you can see, it's installing the Roblox launcher natively. So this will be your best solution. Finally, a weird solution is that some people turn their date for the next day. So you can go to date, and then from here, you're going to set it manually, then change it to the next day. So if it's January 13th, you're going to set it for January 14th, change that, and then try to open it again. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.